Welcome to Shiva's Annapurneshwari channel. Today, we're cooking multigrain dal curry, a dal that has a unique taste due to its method of preparation. It is both healthy and tasty, and we are sure you will love its taste and like its health benefits. Do subscribe to our channel and check out our playlist for more videos. Multigrain dal curry is made by using 1 small ball of equal quantity of tur dal, urad dal, and masoor dal and is highly beneficial for health. Let's see how. Tur dal is a fantastic plant-based protein. It is rich in dietary fiber and loaded with essential vitamins and minerals like iron, calcium, and folic acid. It promotes muscle growth and repair muscle, aids weight management, regulates blood sugar, supports heart health, improves digestion, and is essential for pregnant women. Urad dal is known for its high protein and dietary fiber content. It supports digestive health, promotes cardiovascular health, helps manage blood sugar levels, strengthens bones, boosts energy levels, and helps in muscle building and repair. Masoor dal, also known as red lentils, is another excellent source of plant-based protein and dietary fiber that contains iron and essential minerals. It supports weight management, stabilizes blood sugar levels, and promotes heart and digestive health. It is also known to help prevent anemia, boost immunity, improve bone health, and provide skincare benefits as a natural exfoliant. It is used for acne and oil control and is believed to have anti-aging properties. Important tip: while dals are highly nutritious legumes, they are considered an incomplete protein source. Pair them with grains like rice or rotis to achieve a complete amino acid profile. Here's everything we'll need to make this nutritious and healthy dish. Make sure you keep all the ingredients ready. First of all, we need to soak the 3 dals, tur, urad, and masoor, for 1 hour separately in 3 different bowls. We will need cow ghee, jeera, curd, turmeric powder, chili powder, straight chopped onions, crushed garlic, salt, black pepper, a glass of water, and chopped coriander. Let us now see how this healthy multigrain dal is made. Light up the gas stove and let the kadhi heat up. Add the tur dal, urad dal, and masoor dal to the kadhi. And then add a glass of water. Now add turmeric powder, salt, and chili powder to the dals in the kadhi and mix well. Close the lid of the kadhi so that the dals can cook properly. Once the dals are cooked well, remove them from the gas stove and transfer them to another bowl. Take a tadka kadhi and add jeera, black pepper, and salt. Stir it well. Heat it well and then remove it from the kadhi. We need to crush it finely. After crushing, keep it in a small bowl and add a little water to it. Now we need to add oil to the kadhi and let it heat up. Once the oil is heated, add the chopped onions and let them fry. As the onions turn slightly brown, add the crushed garlic. Once it is cooked, add a ball of curd to the curry and stir it a little. Now add the cooked dals to the curry and mix well. Add the crushed jeera, black pepper, and salt mixture we prepared to the dals and stir well. Close the lid of the curry so that the multigrain dal cooks properly. After 3 to 4 minutes, open the lid and add salt and chili powder. We will now use a masher to mash the dals while they are still cooking. We will need to keep mashing the cooking dal for few minutes until we see a finer dal texture. Once the dal is cooked well, switch off the gas stove and add cow ghee on top of the dal and also add chopped coriander for garnishing. Stir the dal so that the flavor of the coriander and ghee spreads throughout the dish. Our multigrain dal is now ready to be served. Look at this ball of multigrain dal. It looks so delicious. Add a little onion for additional flavor and taste. Also add some ghee on top of the dal. This rich and vibrant multigrain dal tastes so delicious with roti, chapati, phulka, and rice that you will be tempted to have more of it. This freshly cooked dal is perfect for special occasion as well as daily meals, and we are sure that everyone will love its taste. If you enjoyed this recipe, Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell for more traditional Indian recipe videos. See you next time with another recipe straight from the heart of the Indian kitchen. If you like the video, subscribe to Shiva's Annapurneshwari channel for such videos. Share it with your family and friends. Eat healthy, be happy and stay blessed.